Okay, so now, in order to get into OneDrive, you're going to go to the CCBC homepage, right? So you'll come up here to My CCBC in the upper right-hand corner. I'd like you to do that now. Okay. Go to Office 365. And you'll click on that. So what that will ask you to do is it will ask you for your email and your password, your email address. So your email address is going to be your CCBC ID, the same thing that you sign into Brightspace with. So that'll be the last two letters, I'm sorry, the first two letters of your last name, right? Plus those last digits of your 901 number. Right? So you don't have to do 9, you don't have to do 0, but it starts with a 1 and then it goes all the way to the end, right? Just like you log into Brightspace. Here's why. That's the beginning part. So you're going to use that CCBC ID, right? But then it will be at email.ccbcmd.edu. Did you type in all of that? Okay. So in order to get into it, you need this part. Plus at ccbc at email.ccbcmd.edu. I'm an instructor, so mine is a little different than yours. Okay, so is everybody there? Now your password should be the same as you have for your Brightspace. Okay, excellent. That's correct. Yep. At email. Oh wait, are you creating an account? No, you're not. Email. That whole thing. Okay. And you're in. Awesome. You're in as well. Perfect. That's right where you're supposed to be. Yeah. Correct. All right. So now mine is going to be a little bit different than yours. Mine will direct me to a different place. Okay, so once you've logged in, this is what you should see, or something similar, right? So you'll see the good morning, Office 365, and then over here you've got all of these different icons. So what you want to do is look for this one, the one that's in the shape of a cloud. Looks like that. Okay, so that's your OneDrive. So once you click on this, that's when you can start creating documents that you can share with everybody. So you'll come over, and do you see where it says new up in the top? Click on new. Check on everybody. Oh. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, that's because you're here. You're in the wrong spot. Oh. Wow, but you can't make new ones. Oh, that's really strange. Okay. Create a new file. No, you shouldn't. It should all save it for you. This is very strange. Okay, so I'm gonna have to work with, we'll have to get you some tech help. Because yours is not. You're in the right spot, okay? Come in. Correct. There you go. Got your OneDrive. So the easy part about this now is that you can use it to create any kind of a document, well, most of you can. The idea here is this is like a storage box, right? This is where you make your documents and then you just put them in a place where you can keep them the whole time. So in order to create, you can create any kind of a document from here. So Deborah, so what you can do, you can create this from the home page too. So for example, if you're here, you can still create these documents. So you can make Word, you can make Excel files, you can make PowerPoints, whatever you want. But the good thing about OneDrive is it keeps it all in one place, right? So what you're going to be working in will be either Microsoft Word, so you'll create Word documents, or PowerPoint presentations for this class. And that's it. So you open up the document, and then you can just start typing away. One thing that is very nice is that it automatically saves the document for you. So as soon as you type, it's saved. Okay, and that's one good thing about OneDrive also, is that you can start the document, you can do it here in class, but you can also work on it at home, or on the bus, or on break at work, or in your bedroom, right? Wherever you want to do it. So the only other thing that I'm going to ask you to do is share the document with me. Right? So there are two ways that you can do that. First, if you come to File, click File, Save As, and then you can download a copy of the document. So that's one way to share. And then this shares it as a separate Microsoft Word document that you can upload. Yes. whatever your folder, whatever you want to call it. It's your choice, whatever is easiest for you to remember. So you've now created a document. You can download it and add it to Brightspace. Mm-hmm. You can do that too. That's the other thing that I was going to show you that you can do. So you can download, or if you come to share up here in the corner, upper right-hand corner, you can hit share, copy a link, and just copy and paste that link into Brightspace. So both of those will work. The one advantage to using the OneDrive is that I can leave comments for you right on the document, and you will have them immediately. So I can give you feedback, and you can go look at it right away. Mhm. Well, let's read the instructions, because the instructions will tell you what you need to do. Now, there is something specific that you need to do. So making sure that you read the instructions closely is going to be really important. But this also then involves making sure that you can navigate the class, right? So does everybody know how to find the class once you're on the Brightspace homepage? Okay. So you'll come down, you'll find our class. Now, where do I go next? How do I find what we're working on? Content. You go to content. And so right now, all of that information that was here in the learning modules, in the introduction learning module. So you click on introduction. I'm almost out of time. And the practice OneDrive assignment. It tells you this. So go to CCBC OneDrive account, directions on how to use OneDrive. So it's already there for you. It's written out. Please make sure that you read those instructions. Okay. Maybe we need to add some words and what was the question, Selena? Yeah, there is. It's right here. It's the second thing. This is what I'm telling you. You guys need to read the instructions closely. Create a Word document. What does it say? Read the instructions. Okay. I'm going to pause this.